My background is mostly log homes, custom home builds. I was doing a bunch of spec homes. I was pretty excited. Yeah, once we kind of got everything figured out, you know, how everything was numbered and laid out, and how it went together. It's pretty straightforward. I think, you know, doing the next one's going to be, you know, way quicker now that I've done one. Once you've done one, it's really easy to figure. You know, you kind of know exactly what you got to do from that point. So. Yeah, I would say watch some videos, watch some of the stuff. You know, just that was really helpful to see some guys laying things out and putting them together. You know, when you first see a pile of stuff there, it's, you know, it can be a little overwhelming. But once you kind of start just laying things out and looking at your plans and, you know, watching those videos, it's pretty straightforward. All the holes and everything that were pre-drilled, everything ended up lining up really well. We didn't have to drill anything hardly, really. I mean, all the bolts fell into place pretty well. And yeah, it was a lot like doing the metal roofs that I've done. You know, just you know, using metal to metal instead of metal to wood. So yeah, it was really similar. I mean, it went together really well. You don't need a whole lot of guys.